Okay, so here we are in week 8. I will be submitting your midterm grades um, today, I think. So if I haven't done that already, I'll have to check. So make sure you have all your assignments in and that you're working on everything. This week, we take a break from reading the textbook for a little bit, and we're going to focus on the project approach. So the reason we're doing this now is because on December 7th, which seems like ages from now, but will be here faster than you know it, on December 7th, you have your final project due. Your final project for this class is a pretty extensive assignment. So you need to go and look at that. It's posted in Cobra in week 8 right now. Um, what it is developing a project and then all the parts that go along with it. So starting out this week, you should be doing discussion number 3, which focuses on art and music, which is what we talked about last week. So go to your discussion and do that. And always remember, you need to post your response and then replies to 2 of your fellow students. And then the next thing you should do is go below the discussion in this week on Cobra and read. There are 3 different readings posted in there. So it's engaging children's minds, project approach the early years, and then the project approach overview. So it's a chapter from a book, it's an article, and then it's kind of another like chapter from a book. It's a lot of repetition because I want to make sure that you understand these concepts. After you've done that, you should watch the project approach video that I made that goes through and sort of simplifies it all down and reinforces what you've read in the reading. Don't just watch the video because you're not going to get it all. Read the readings and then watch the video. Okay. And then what I want you to do is find the project approach final project assignment, which is posted at the very bottom of week 8. And I want you to look through that. So what it is putting together basically a project approach, which if you were doing this in a preschool classroom might last 3 weeks. An investigation of a topic, and all of this will be explained in the readings, but you're going to put together, you're going to choose a topic and write a description of your topic and why you chose it. You're going to tell about the age group that you're working with and why this topic might be appealing to them or developmentally appropriate. You're going to do a topic web, which you'll learn all about. You're going to state your learning objectives. Remember, when you do those learning objectives, you need to cite the Illinois Early Learning and Development Standards, right? It's in Cobra. I want the letters from the IELDS. Most of you have been doing it. If you haven't, I've been trying to remind you to do it, but I want specific learning objectives that you are going to be meeting. And for this, you need 4 or 5 learning objectives. Then you put together an activities list, and you're going to do 1 activity for each curriculum area, so basically a center. So you're going to do a language and literacy activity, art, music, dramatic play, sensory play. You don't need to do the entire activity plan for each of those, but you do need to have a list of what activities you would do in each of those areas. Okay. So you're going to have a list. Actually, you have 3 activities for 5 areas plus the library corner where you're going to need to list some children's books. So this is a list. This is not activity plans for 15 different activities. This is a list of ideas that you would do in each area. If you need help with that, please let me know. You do need to do 5 activity plans though, right? So you need to make sure that you have 5 different lesson plan activities using those activity forms that we've been using. And they need to come from at least, I think, 5 different areas of the classroom. No more than 1 activity plan can be from the same curriculum area, okay? And those 5, you should include on that activities list that we did before. So there's an activities list, which just tells the titles of activities that you're going to do. And then there's the activity plan, which is the full activity plan. You're going to do 5 total activity plans. And then you're going to have an experience plan. An experience could be a field trip. It could be having an expert come into your classroom. It's some special experience that the children are going to engage in that's part of your project, okay? And then you're going to talk about how you're involving families. Now, you're going to put all that together in a document and you're going to put it in the Dropbox. So that's all a written document. But you're also going to make a little slideshow that takes specific parts of that project out and puts them in the slideshow. Ideally, what I'd like to do is show this or give access to the slideshow to everyone else in the class, because that's how we do it when we meet in person, so that you can all see what everyone else has done. If we could get it to work, we might do a meeting on December 7th. We'll figure that out. And we could do Zoom where you show your presentations. We'll talk about that. And then the last thing is, you do that presentation. So your presentation has to include your topic and why you chose it, a picture of your topic web, a brief description of 2 of your activity plans, and a description of the experience you've planned. So all of this is explained in the assignment, which is posted in Cobra. Ooh, it disappeared. And I also have posted a sample video which shows how you do the presentation, the video, or the slideshow part on your topic. So what I'd like to do is plan to meet next Monday night, as many people as possible, during my office hours on Zoom from 6 to 7:30, so we can talk about this. I'll send out an email, a little reminder to you all, but try to remember I have office hours on Monday nights from 6 to 7:30, and next Monday, which is the 9th, let's meet from 6 to 7:30 and talk about the project approach stuff. By then you'll have had time to look through it and understand it and have lots of questions, okay? So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you soon.